Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso, salam alaikum, welcome to the channel, y'all. So it is Saturday and we are in town and it is absolutely blooming freezing. Hence the cat hat that I have on to keep my ears warm because it's a bit windy. It's 2 degrees, but it's windy and its chill factor is freezing. So anyway, we're in town. So what are we going to do? We're going to have a little bit of a wander around, shall we? Let's go and have a look inside what's inside the British Heart Foundation, and then we can go and have a look and see what is inside. We need to go to TK Maxx, and next door is Carrie's PC World. So after that, we'll have a look in Carrie's and PC World and see what they've got there. So the copyright music was on, so there we go. Let's have a look. See, I like that Bosch dishwasher. I thought that was a very nice machine. Seems quite strong. I do like that. Same as that was in there before. That Dyson, that was the DC50. That was a new one. 45 quid for that. I thought was a bit of a bargain, but I've already got one. But it's absolutely filthy. Now we're coming back. They are my favourite dishwasher, reduced to 120. That's Siemens dishwasher. Very, very nice machine. I really would like that. If I was looking for a dishwasher, I would have gone back and bought that because I really do like it. It's a really nice machine. I've never tried one. I could be talking through my hat, but it does seem like a nice machine. That Logic dish washing machine that was still there, I think that is an own brand by Currys, because when I was in Currys talking to the woman looking at the washing machine, she said that these are our own brand, but I don't know how they would hold up. It did seem a little bit plasticky. Yeah, thank you. So unfortunately, the Christmas music was playing, so I'm just going to do myself a little voiceover. I've never tried this before on the app, so let's have a look, see what we got over here. We've got some nice looking machines. There's Samsung. I do like the look of those machines. I don't know how reliable they are. I'm not a fan of that thing that you can add socks into or whatever it is if you miss an item. Do you really miss that many items out of your load that you have to have the front loading thing on it? Do like the LGs. Very, very nice. I did like the inside of that. That was a really nice one. These ones, Grundig, I'd never even heard. Well, I've heard of Grundig, but I've never realised that Grundig were making washing machines. I have absolutely no idea if they're any good or not. I will have to ask some people if they think they're good machines. Coming back to the Samsung ones, I was looking for one which was sort of like the higher capacity. See, I just don't see the point of that sock thing. I just don't get it. I do like the pattern of the drum on the inside. I think next time, I'd go for like that colour, the grey one. I do like that colour. Okay, so now we are moving on. I don't know what this one is. Oh, that's an LG. I do like the LG ones, they are nice. Quite a lot of selection of washing machines, but as you can see, they're all front loaders for anybody that doesn't live in the UK. I don't think I'd be touching a Hoover washing machine, to be honest. I don't rate them as reliable. I do like these Hotpoint ones. These are similar to the ones I've had in the past before, and they were pretty good. I'm not too keen on that pull-out drawer, as in longevity of it. But they have been reliable, the ones I've had in the past. Not bad for the price. What else we got down here? Let's have a look. See, now these ones, I love those ones. But I wish they were more like the ones you see sort of like in the stateside or in Australia. Really, really, really big ass massive drums on them. I don't understand why they don't sell them here. So let's take a little wander over to where the vacuum cleaners are in Currys. And there we have the rows of sharks with their little teeth gnashing. The ones to your right, those big wide ones, those ones, I'd not seen them before like that. I haven't seen a review on them anyway. Let's have a look and see what they got here. This is the trash section, the junk area of the Vaxes. Yeah, single cyclone clog up in 3 days. Oh, look at that, those horrid, look at them. Ugh, terrible. Oh, look, that's what I had. That's what Verity's got now. She's using that one, the Shark Duo Clean. It's pretty good apart from the dustbin on it. There we go, moving on to the old Dysons. They have their very exclusive... I need one of them. That would be very good. I wonder if that would fit the V10. I'm not sure. But the only thing I really need for the V10 is the kind of the stretchy hose. The rest of it. But you can tell they spend their money. I really quite wouldn't mind trying that Vax Duo one. I like that one. It's very much like the American style. Yeah, a bit more trash there. Trash section. Moving over, yeah, a couple more Hoover Trashies. Moving on to the Miele's, the nice Miele's. I got that grey one, as you saw. I had that as a Christmas present last year. I do like the C3s. Let's have a wander around. What we got here? Yep, a couple more Miele's. Skip the Blizzard. It's an absolute horrid vacuum cleaner, thank you. Good old Henry Pet and the Henry 160. Good old Henry. More trash. And there we go, back onto the Dysons. I do like the V10, so I thought, oh, do you know what? I will have a little go of the red one. I think that's the absolute one, because it's got the fluffy head on it. So I thought, oh, okay. Let's take a little look. Let's see what is going on. There we go. So I really do like the fluffy head. I wouldn't mind getting one of them for my V10, because that's the one thing I did like about the Shark, was that fluffy head. So, okay, we go in, we come into the end of the video now. We're just having a last look at the cylinders and the other Dyson balls. Nice display that they have there. Do like the Karcher. I wouldn't mind trying the Karcher vacuum, actually. See how that one is. Okay, so there we go. End of the video-ish. There we go, my friends. We are back home. We've just unloaded the car and I'm sitting in the drive about to go in. As you can see, it is absolutely chucking it down. The weather is awful. It's 1 degree and raining cats and dogs. I've had my furry hat on, so my hair's a mess today. Okay, so there we go. So we went to the British Heart Foundation. We had a wander around there. Nothing really new, apart from one Dyson, and that's about it. Curry's interesting. Oh god, that fence is wobbling. Curry's was interesting, but same old, same old. Quite disappointed that the washing machines, I couldn't see anything that was above a 10 kilo in the store. Apparently they do have some other ones which are 12 kilos online, but none that you could actually see in the store. Considering how many machines are there, I definitely do think that the next machine would be the direct drive one. Is that LG? Is it? I can't remember. Anyway, it's going to be an LG one with the direct drive motor on it. And I'm sure I can find one which is 11 kilos. I'll have to have a look. But first of all, I will have somebody else. I'm going to run the machine until it dies, basically, and then I will take a look and see if I can get it repaired, because some people have said that you have to get the entire drum replaced. You can't just go in and change the bearing. I don't know. I'll have a word with Chris and see what his advice would be on it, to see if it could be repaired, how much it would be repaired, because there's nothing else wrong with the machine. So even if it only, even if it cost, I don't know, £200 to get it repaired, it's still going to be cheaper than forking out 800 or 900 for a new machine. So anyway, we will see. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe. Sorry again, because they were playing Christmas music everywhere, so for copyright issues I had to put all of it on silent, and never mind. And there we go, just a cheeky video for Saturday in this horrible cold weather. Love to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Bye.